In this video, Dyson AI Studio presents designing the exceptional Candy and Candy's Luxe Interior Design Chronicles. Candy and Candy, founded by brothers Nick Candy and Christian Candy, has become synonymous with luxury interior design. Their style is renowned for ultimate opulence, exquisite craftsmanship, and an extreme attention to detail, creating one breathtaking interior space after another. The design philosophy of Candy and Candy stems from an unwavering pursuit of perfection. They believe that luxury is not just about expensive materials and high prices, but also a pursuit of life quality and meticulous detailing. In their designs, one can see a respect for traditional craftsmanship and an integration of modern aesthetics. This fusion of traditional and modern elements gives Candy and Candy's work a classical charm while maintaining a contemporary fashion sense. In terms of color usage, Candy and Candy favor neutral tones such as beige, gray, and white. These colors convey a sense of calm and rationality and provide a perfect backdrop for interior spaces, making the use of other colors and materials more prominent. They are also adept at using bright colors as accents, such as sapphire blue, emerald green, or rose gold, to add a touch of brilliance to the interior. When it comes to material selection, Candy and Candy have very high standards for texture and quality. They prefer natural materials like marble, wood, leather, and silk, which not only have unique textures and a warm touch but also show different changes over time, adding vitality to the space. At the same time, they continuously explore and try new materials and technologies to create more innovative and unique design effects. Candy and Candy's design style is also fully expressed in spatial layout. They focus on the fluidity and openness of the space, breaking traditional spatial boundaries through ingenious spatial layout and flexible partitions, making the interior more spacious and transparent. This design technique not only enhances the functionality of the space but also provides a more free and relaxed living experience for the residents. In furniture design, Candy and Candy also pursue perfection. They prefer furniture with smooth lines and elegant shapes, which not only have high aesthetic value but also take into account practicality and comfort. Their furniture design is often customized to ensure that each piece perfectly fits into the overall interior environment. Lighting design also plays an important role in the works of Candy and Candy. They are good at using various lighting techniques, such as chandeliers, wall lamps, table lamps, and hidden lighting, to create a warm and comfortable lighting environment. Lighting not only serves the purpose of illumination but is also an important element in shaping the spatial atmosphere and expressing design concepts. Candy and Candy's decorative elements also reflect their extreme pursuit of detail. They are good at using various decorative techniques, such as exquisite carvings, gorgeous fabrics, and unique artworks. These decorative elements not only enrich the visual effect of the space but also reflect their careful consideration of details. Personalized and customized services are a major feature of Candy and Candy's design. They provide fully personalized and customized services for customers, from conceptual design to final completion, with every step closely centered around the needs and expectations of the customer. This personalized and customized design service makes every Candy and Candy project a unique work of art. However, Candy and Candy also face market challenges and changes. With the changing market environment and diverse customer needs, they need to continuously innovate and adjust their design concepts and methods to adapt to the ever-changing market. Despite this, Candy and Candy still adhere to their design philosophy, bringing one amazing design work after another to the global high-end residential market through continuous exploration and innovation. In summary, Candy and Candy's design style is a perfect combination of luxury, refinement, and personalization. They create aesthetically pleasing and practical living spaces through careful spatial planning, color matching, material selection, furniture design, decorative elements, and lighting design, providing residents with a high-quality and tasteful lifestyle. Over time, Candy and Candy continue to set new standards for luxury living spaces globally, and their design works are not only an exploration of luxury aesthetics but also a profound understanding of the residents' quality of life. Candy and Candy, established in 1995 and LED by brothers Christian and Nick Candy, has shone brightly in the realm of high-end design. Their iconic project, One Hyde Park, became the world's most expensive apartment building in 2011, showcasing the brand's exceptional design philosophy and project execution capabilities. Candy and Candy emphasizes details and pursues perfection, believing that luxury should be reflected in every meticulously crafted aspect, from material selection to color coordination, blending quality and artistry. One Hyde Park, located in a prime area of London, has set a new benchmark for luxury home design with its unparalleled design and craftsmanship. Its interior design exudes understated luxury, from marble floors to metal trims, from lighting design to city views, all reflecting a deep understanding of quality living. The design style combines classic and modern elements, favoring warm and deep tones, and using natural materials like wood and stone to create a luxurious and cozy atmosphere. Beyond visual impact, Candy and Candy values the practicality of space and the living experience, with open kitchens and smart facilities enhancing comfort and convenience. Personalized services ensure that each project meets the owner's taste. The brand's influence spans the globe, from luxurious manors to skyscrapers, from private residences to yacht interiors. Candy and Candy's aesthetic concepts and design talents are renowned worldwide. The works of Candy and Candy demonstrate the pursuit of beauty, the understanding of quality living, and the care for personalized needs. Luxurious design is not only a visual pleasure but also a reflection of the lifestyle, showcasing the residents' personality and taste. Candy and Candy's unique design style and project execution capabilities have made it a leader in the global high-end residential design field, leading a new trend in luxurious design. Candy and Candy integrates tradition with modernity, art with technology, luxury with practicality, redefining the concept of luxury and elevating every space into a sublimation of living art. Their designs reflect a persistent pursuit of beauty, an insistence on quality, and respect for the residents' individuality, making them a model of global high-end residential design, with their works becoming synonymous with the ideal residence. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to collaborate with us, please contact us through the method provided at the end of the video. See you in our next video.